friends, during this festive season, let's plan something very healthy. Yes, I am talking about the almonds, walnuts and cashew fudge. The amazing benefits of all these three dry nuts will come under a single dish. So it's not only mouth-watering, yummy, but I am sure that you will definitely love it and make it again and again. It's a must-try recipe. So do try it and share your feedback with me. Till then, take care. This is Nidhi and welcome back to my channel. So my today's yummy recipe is walnut, cashew and almond fudge. So before starting with the recipe, I would like to request you all to please watch the full video, and in case if you like it, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. For detailed written recipe and ingredients with their measurement, please visit the description box below. So why to wait? Let's move on to my kitchen. So friends, the first part will be dry roasting of your nuts. So we are starting with our almonds. You need to dry roast the almonds on low medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes till nice aroma and nice crunch develops. This dry roasting will not only increase the taste but will also increase the shelf life of your burfi. So friends, as you can see here, almonds have changed their color and nice crunch was also developed. So at this point of time, I remove them from the pan as we don't want them to be more darker. In the same pan, now you can dry roast your walnuts. So like almonds, you need to dry roast them on low medium flame for 1 or 2 minutes till nice crunch develops and nice aroma starts coming. So once done, simply remove them from the pan. So friends, likewise you need to roast your cashews for 1 or 2 minutes on low flame. I took pre-roasted cashews, that's why I avoided this step. So friends, once all the nuts are dry roasted, now simply allow them to cool down a bit, and meanwhile we can mix our sugar and water and start preparing our sugar syrup. So for that, in the same pan I am adding sugar and water. The measurement is given in the description box as I already told you, and you need to switch on the flame and simply mix and combine both and allow the sugar and water to come to a good boil. So friends, till our sugar and water are boiling, meanwhile we can grind our nuts. So simply I am adding the almonds to my grinding jar and then I am grinding them in pulse mode. Don't grind continuously, otherwise almonds will release their oil. So you need to make a coarse powder. It's not necessary that you make a fine powder. So friends, likewise grind your walnuts too. Again I am repeating, grind at pulse mode and don't grind continuously, just to avoid the releasing of oil. I am grinding cashews too. So friends, as grinding of our nuts is done, so coming back to our sugar syrup. So as you can see here, our sugar syrup has started thickening. So just add few drops of lemon juice. This will avoid the crystallization of the sugar. And you can also add few drops of rose water at this point of time, or you can add green cardamom powder as per your choice. So friends, just keep on stirring it continuously and you will see that it has thickened very well, and you need to thick it up to one string consistency. That is, you need to check, just take a bit sugar syrup and you can make a thread between your fingers. If you can see one thread, then it's the right stage. Just switch off the flame. So now immediately add your powdered nuts and again switch on the flame and just keep mixing it very well in the sugar syrup. So friends, as you can see here, our nuts powder is well mixed in the sugar syrup. So now you have to roast it continuously and keep on adding ghee or butter in small quantities at different points of time. So friends, you don't have to add entire amount of ghee or butter at one point of time only. Just keep roasting and keep adding. So till your mixture is roasting well, you can just grease the plate with ghee or butter in which we are going to set our burfi. So friends, as you can see here that after roasting it continuously for around 8 to 10 minutes, now it's well roasted. So just switch off the flame. So immediately transfer this roasted mix to the greased plate and just make it even using a spatula. You have to spread it evenly. So just keep patting with the spatula and make the upper layer very smooth. Now you can garnish it with few chopped nuts of your choice and press them well. So friends, as your mixture is flattened well, now before keeping it to set, you need to first make the cut marks using the knife. Then keep inside the refrigerator for minimum 2 hours or till your burfi is set well. So after 2 hours you can keep it out from the refrigerator and remove the pieces, and now it's ready to be served. So friends, these burfis are not only yummy but equally healthy. And one more point is, you can even store them at room temperature for around 15 to 20 days very easily. So friends, I am sure that you all must have liked my recipe and will try to make it. Do share your feedback and experience with the recipe in my comment section below. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.